Today we will be testing a crypto day trading strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto day trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 503 different strategies. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator to trade the crypto scalping strategy that I'll mention in this video on a live trading account. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto day trading strategy. And so the source video says free trend reversal indicator. Pretty simple title there, no wild claims, so I definitely give props to source video for that. And this is going to be just a single indicator test, and so we'll put this on the indicator testing spreadsheet instead of the strategy testing spreadsheet. And so the indicator that we are testing is going to be the volumetric trend indicator, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen, and we will jump into the settings. I'm not going to change the length, I'll just leave that on the default settings. But the source video explains that basically this is a moving average, and as it is switching the coloration, let me go ahead and turn off price action. So you can see here that's switching from blue to this kind of golden orange type color, then back to the blue like this here. And so basically what it's doing, and it's kind of hard to see unless I kind of crunch in like this here, you can see here that what it's doing is during that period of time that the moving average is that specific color, it's also giving a volume profile. Now in the source video, they didn't really explain how to use the volume profile in any kind of legitimate way. They basically just said it's there for you to look at and it's a handy extra feature. What they did say was that for a good trend direction indicator, basically anytime the moving average line or the volumetric trend line switched or gave a diamond like this here, blue diamond or the orangish golden diamond, that was a good directional entry. And so when it has a blue diamond or a blue moving average, you should be going long, and anytime it's gold, you should be going short. And so that's how I tested it, was just the simple coloration shift in the line itself. And so what we're looking for a short trade is we are looking for that shift in the coloration of the line. Now, I did notice that if you, let's go ahead and hide price action again. If you click right here and then you advance price forward just a little bit here, there we go. You can actually see that the diamond doesn't appear until one bar into the future. So you can see I can hover over this one, and if I jump here, it's actually a separate bar. And so you have to be mindful of that it doesn't appear on this exact bar here. It's actually this one here that creates the diamond. And so basically once we get that coloration shift, and it's hard to see most of the time because price is kind of buried behind, or the moving average is buried behind the price action. But what you can do is you can hover over the You can hover over the particular candle, and that will tell you whether or not it is in the gold position or the blue position. So if I hover over this candle right here and look at these coordinates right above my mouse, you can see that they are all the golden color. If I back it up a little bit, you can see 2 blue and 1 gold. And if I back it up one more, you can see they are blue. And so now I didn't say in the settings, I just went ahead and turned off the volume histogram because I didn't see any real valid use in it. And so that's why we were in the inputs a minute ago. I failed to mention that. Just turn off the volume profile within there, the volume histogram, I guess I should say. Okay, so what we got is the break to the downside. That's pretty simple. That'll give us our short signal. And then what I did was just put the stop just slightly above the moving average line. Now this is being weird because it's trying to do the bar coloration, which I also turned off on the styles, or I thought I did. So let's go ahead and turn that off like that. See if that helps. Nope, it's still going to have that weird box over it. Let's see if I can turn off the labels. There we go, those are the labels. Okay, now we have the short to the downside. Again, I put the stop just right above the moving average line, which just happens to be right at the top of this candle right here, and targeted a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's play this forward here. And you can see within just a couple candles, we make a really nice push to the downside, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade, we get the switch in the coloration. Again, if I hover over, now the labels are gone, so it makes it a tad bit more challenging. But if I hover over this bar right here, you can see that the 2 numbers right here are that blue color. And so that'll give us the long trade setup. And what we'll do is put our trade here, put our stop just right below that moving average line again, this time not even the full bar, and then we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward just like before. Let's go ahead and play this one forward here. And you can see the really nice push to the upside, getting us to our take profit. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. All right, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this indicator. So we did the 50 trades. Now out of those 50 trades, we got 24 winning trades and 26 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 48% win rate. And so with the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if we were looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $14,400. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total loss would have been $10,200 for an overall gain of $4,000 altogether. So not horrible. I wouldn't say it's necessarily great either, but not bad, I think, after everything's considered. Now compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 29 trades altogether. We had right at an 81% win rate, and the total gain would have been right at $14,000. So definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex Indicator when you sign up for our Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex Indicator to the high 90% and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and put this one on the yes list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.